Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to share Amazon Prime Video with your family. So first step is to create a profile for them. So go over to your profile picture, click on Add New, and then select Create Profile. Here enter the name of the guy that you want to create a profile for. So let's say for that, and you can change his profile picture right here. Now, if it's a kids profile, then select this box, and if it's not, then leave it gray, and then click on Save Changes. Now, as you can see, that profile has been appeared right here. So you will click on it, and now click on Account and Settings, go to Devices, and here you can select Register New Device, and simply on the device of your dad, open up the Prime Video app on the TV or on the phone, and select Register on the Prime website. And this will show you a registration code on the left of the screen of that device. And so just enter the registration code right here and click on Register Device. It is really this simple. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.